Hey guys, this is the Butter Chipmunk here. Today we are playing some MW3 with my friend Web Tempest. I want to make sure you can hear him. Okay, let's go to preferences, voice. Okay, now we both can hear him. We're getting ready. I am hosting this gun game too, which is cool. Yeah, I'm gonna lose. Cause that's how awesome I am. Yeah, saw that, guys? That was definitely an epic failure. Like, I had no way to win. Like, it was... Okay. Haha! That's how a ninja does it. Yeah, I probably wouldn't. Fine! Where are you? Dude, where are you? Okay, hold on! Hold on! Okay, go. Okay, you happy? Okay, they're gonna win. That was fast. No! I know how it feels. Pack-a-doodle-doo, Phil hates you. Yeah, for some reason he still touched you. I never did. You suck at gun game, yeah. I suck at quick scoping. Leo, we gotta wait till you can get the shotgun. Whoa, you killed me so legit. Dang, okay, now you're going good. That was serious. You're still not gonna win. Your mom is so unepic. She gave me herpes. No, I'm just playing. Ah! I don't like your mom. Even when she gave me herpes, I never did. I was drunk. I only shot you once. What the hell? I got an SPA S12, I think it's called. Ah! Damn it. Just wait till you get the shotgun. I will kill you. Yeah. Oh, I shot you in the freaking head. Yeah. Am I still recording? Yeah, I'm recording. No! Okay. You would be a camping noob. Be like that. No! I'm trying to look for you.
Why not you?
I can't tell you. Oh god! Oh, you freaking bastard! Oh my god, you're running away from me. Oh my god, how are you doing this? You have the SP? Oh! I can't tell you, you gotta come look for me. Here, look for the dome. No, I don't want to stop camping. Can't get back down. What the hell is going on? Type 95. I ain't camping now. Oh, I got my weapon. MK14.
Oh, one side hit fire.
Stop hard scoping. I ain't camping. I'm just waiting. Camping is just killing somebody in the same place. Last weapon. RPG-7. Okay guys, that was the end of this MW3. I'll see y'all later. Bye.